Okay guys, today what we got is a Mul-T Lock Garrison. It's a 7-pin dimple lock. Here we have the key. It's working fine with the key. I can't really show you the bitting on this one because of the type of key that it is. Okay, well I'm going to spp'd this lock using this pick here, which is an aluminium Goso Dimple Pick. This pick was from uklockpickers.co.uk. Also comes with a large assortment of different pick heads for your different types of dimple lock. A real nice pick, just a little twist in quick change. So let's try and get it spp'd. This will be my first Mul-T Lock picked. And there we go, that's picked. Okay guys, well thanks for watching. Please do keep watching because I will be uploading some more videos soon. Please leave comments and please rate the video, and don't forget, get all your picking tools from uklockpickers.co.uk. If you are after a decent dimple pick, I think this would probably be a good one to go for. Like I said, you get all your different interchangeable heads there for your different types of locks. It's a real nice pick, nice lightweight pick, great feedback off of it. You can get your little case there to keep it all in, and your tension tool. Okay guys, well thanks for watching. Cheers.